Hello, everyone. My name is Amelia, and welcome to today's spoken English learning practice. First of all, let me tell you something. Learning spoken English is not as difficult as many people think. The biggest secret is simple. Practice every day. Many people understand English, but they feel nervous when it's time to speak. If you're one of them, don't worry. You're not alone. Confidence comes with practice. Every day, try to speak English for at least 10 minutes. It doesn't matter if you make mistakes. Mistakes are a normal part of learning. Every mistake teaches you something new. When you learn new words, don't just read them. Speak them aloud. Listen to your pronunciation and repeat the words several times. This will help you remember them and improve your speaking skills. Another great habit is to think in English. For example, when you wake up in the morning, say to yourself, "Good morning. Today is going to be a wonderful day." While you're having breakfast, describe what you're eating in English. These small habits can make a big difference. Reading English books, listening to English podcasts, and watching English videos are also excellent ways to improve your vocabulary. But remember, listening alone is not enough. You must speak. Don't compare yourself with others. Everyone learns at a different pace. Focus on your own progress. If you know more English today than you knew yesterday, you're moving in the right direction. Confidence is the key to speaking English. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and don't worry about having a perfect accent. Clear communication is more important than sounding like a native speaker. Now, let me share a few sentences that you can repeat every day. Focus on your own progress. If you know more English today than you knew yesterday, you're moving in the right direction. Confidence is the key to speaking English. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and don't worry about having a perfect accent. Clear communication is more important than sounding like a native speaker. Now, let me share a few sentences that you can repeat every day. I enjoy learning English. I speak English with confidence. I learn something new every day. I am improving every day. I believe in myself. I can speak English. Practice makes me better. I will never give up. Excellent! Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It comes from small daily efforts. Just 10 minutes of practice every day can help you become a more confident English speaker. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this lesson inspired you to keep practicing and never stop learning. I'm Amelia, and I'll see you in the next spoken English learning practice. Until then, keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.